so here I'm trying to show you my hook and get the placement of where I'm going to put my next piece of hair in the crochet. It's very important that you make sure your placement is specific, and I'm checking to make sure there's good slip before I pull it through, only because my hair is natural and every snag counts. So I'm just making sure before I hook the piece of hair that it's room for it to slide through. So now that I have a placement, I'm showing you the piece of hair that's going to be crocheted through, making a loop out of it so that I can hook it onto my crochet needle, closing it. And again, checking to make sure the slip is going to be easy, and then you pull it through. You've created a loop, putting my thumb through the loop, and then pulling the extra 2 pieces of hair through that loop. Excuse me about my pucker face lips. You know, my facial expressions are hilarious. But I'm tying the hair off into a knot. Some places I double knot, other places I only put 1 knot in. Closer to the front of my hair, I only utilize 1 knot. That way it doesn't look bulky in my part. I'm pulling my second string through my second strand of crochet here, hooking it on my latch hook, finding the loop, pulling the loose strands through that loop, and then tying it off. You want to pay special attention to how you tie it off, because that will also create bulky looking hair in the front. And so what you'll do is just continue this pattern down the other braids until it's complete. A very easy, simple crochet look, and these are my final results. I love how it turned out, and this will last me for about a month. I change my hair often, but this is definitely one of my easy go-to styles, crochet. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.